Hi, myself Prakash Vagela. I am going to talk about the Reserve Bank's recent MSME Resolution Framework 2, which RBI has announced recently. So, on 5th May 2021, RBI has come out with a notification whereby it has given a details, terms and condition about MSME Resolution Framework 2. So, let's talk about it. RBI has extended the facility for restructuring the existing loans without a downgrade in the assets classification subject to the certain conditions. So what are that conditions? We'll see. First and foremost, the borrower should be classified as a micro, small or medium enterprise as on March 31, 2021. Next, the borrowing entity should be a registered entity. However, certain MSME units may be exempt from the GST registration. So this exemption should be there on 31st March 2021. Next, the aggregate exposure including non-fund based facilities of all lending institution to the borrower does not exceed rupees 25 crore as on March 31, 2021. Next, the borrower's account was a standard assets as on March 31, 2021. Next, the borrower account was not restructured in terms of the earlier circular. Next, the restructuring of the borrower account is invoked by September 30, 2021. For this purpose, the restructuring shall be treated as invoked when the lending institution and the borrower agreed to the proceeding with the efforts towards finalizing a restructuring plan to be implemented in respect of such borrower. The decision on application received by the lending institution from the borrower should be conveyed in writing within 30 days. So that is important. The decision to invoke the restructuring under the facility shall be taken by each lending institution. So for example, if there are more than two lending institutions, then each lending institution will take their decision independently. Next, the restructuring of the borrower account is implemented within 90 days from the date of invocation. If the borrower is not registered in the Udyam registration portal, such registration shall be required to be completed before the date of implementation of the restructuring plan for the plan to be treated as implemented. So here the Udyam registration is kind of a mandatory for the MSME unit. Next, upon implementation of the restructuring plan, the lending institution shall keep provision of 10% of the residual debt of the borrower. So this is more applicable to the lending institution. It is reiterated that lending institution shall put in place a board approved policy on restructuring of MSME advances under this instruction at the earliest and in any case not later than a month from the date of this circular. So by this circular, by this notification of the RBI, each lending institution has to draft and get it approved in their board MSME restructure. So this is again more for the lending institution to do the compliance, to framework the policy. Next, in respect of restructuring plans implemented as per these guidelines, assets classification of borrower classified as standard may be written as such, whereas those accounts which fall into NPA, say between April 1, 2021 and date of implementation may be upgraded as standard assets as on the date of implementation of the restructuring plan. Next, in respect of accounts of borrower which were restructured in terms of the MSME restructuring circular, lending institutions are permitted as a one-time measures to review the working capital sanction limit and or drawing power based on reassessment of the working capital cycle, reduction of margin, etc., without the same being treated as restructuring. So they can do certain changes and that will not be treated as restructuring. The decision with regard to above shall be taken by the lending institution by September 30, 2021. The reassessed sanction limit or drawing power shall be subject to review by the lending institution at least on a half yearly basis, and the renewal reassessment at least on an annual basis. The annual renewal reassessment shall be expected to suitably modulate the limit as per the then prevailing business condition. So whenever there is a renewal, it will be reassessed based on the business condition as on that date. The above measures shall be contingent on the lending institution satisfying themselves that the same is necessary on account of the economic fallout from COVID-19. So this is purely the decision of the lending institution to restructure the MSME unit's borrower's account. Thank you, friends. I hope that this notification will help. You may have to approach your bank for the MSME restructuring. In case if there is any difficulties, you can meet your branch and take the benefit of this restructuring. Thank you very much. Bye bye.